This demo is to show you how to replace the probe tube of the ERO SCAN OAE device. Before starting a test, make a visual inspection of the probe tube to ensure it is clean and free of debris. If there is an obstruction or damage, remove the probe tube. Take the removal tool and place over the end of the probe. The probe should be seated against the face of the tool. Squeeze the tool to clamp. Twist the tool a couple of times while holding closed and pull away from the probe. Once removed, discard the probe tube. Never reuse a probe tube that has been removed from the probe. Place a new tube into the side hole of the tool. Align the probe with the tube. Push the probe onto the probe tube until the probe contacts the face of the removal tool. Remove the probe from the tool and confirm the probe tube is completely seated by pressing it with your finger. For additional information and instruction, please contact MAICO. Thank you for watching this instructional video.